Imagine waking up tomorrow. You check your phone, and the headline reads, AI eliminates 2 million jobs overnight. Scary? It should be, because it already happened. Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Goldman Sachs. These are not small companies. These are the companies that run the world. And they are replacing humans. Right now, as we speak. MIT says 11.7% of all US jobs already replaceable. WEF says 92 million jobs gone by 2030. Goldman Sachs says 300 million people affected globally. 300 million people. But here is what nobody is telling you. Not every job is dying. Some careers, in this exact moment in history, are becoming more valuable than ever before. And the number one job on this list pays $160,000 a year, and it barely existed 5 years ago. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you will know exactly where you stand, and exactly what to do next. The AI reality. AI is no longer the future, it's the present. From writing reports to analyzing millions of data points, AI is already outperforming humans in many fields. Some jobs will disappear, others will change drastically. But here's the thing. History shows that every technological revolution replaces some work, but it also creates new opportunities. Industrial revolution, machines, replaced laborers but created engineers, managers, and specialists. Now the AI revolution is here, and the people who understand this change will thrive. Let's start with the first job you should consider. Job number 5. Therapist counselor. AI can analyze data, predict patterns, even generate text or speech, but it cannot truly understand human emotion. In an AI-driven world, stress, anxiety, and mental health issues are skyrocketing. People need real human guidance. Therapists, counselors, and mental health specialists are more valuable than ever. Easy to understand. High demand. No AI can replace genuine empathy. This job isn't just safe. It's essential. Job number 4. Electrician, technical engineer. AI may be smart, but it can't work without electricity or infrastructure. Data centers, servers, smart homes, all need skilled humans to maintain and repair. Electricians, infrastructure engineers, and technical specialists are the backbone of AI systems. Without them, even the most advanced AI cannot function. Simple to explain, physical presence required. High demand in the coming decade. Job number 3.
AI et cybersecurity specialist.
As AI grows, cybersecurity threats grow faster. Hackers, ransomware, and AI-based attacks are evolving. Companies need specialists who understand both technology and strategy. AI can help, but humans must monitor, prevent, and react. High-paying, globally in demand, requires a mix of logic plus human decision-making. Job number 2. Product Manager Business Strategist.
AI quand généra de solutions.
But it cannot make strategic business decisions. Companies need humans to Decide which AI tools to use. Align AI with real-world goals. Manage teams, clients, and risks. Product managers and business strategists will always be needed. Easy to understand. Logic plus leadership required. AI assists but cannot replace. Job number 1.
AI Manager AI Integration Specialist.
This is the biggest reveal. AI is powerful, but most companies don't know how to use it effectively. AI managers are the humans who decide where AI fits in business, make humans plus AI work together, maximize productivity without mistakes. Rare skill equals very high demand, salary often $160,000 plus. Future-proof career. If you learn this skill today, you control the future, not AI. Subscribe. History repeats itself. Industrial revolution. Machines replaced jobs, but created wealth. AI revolution will replace many jobs, but create new opportunities. The biggest mistake, ignoring it. The people who prepare today will dominate tomorrow. So ask yourself, will you adapt or get left behind? If you want more insights, more AI career secrets, and ways to survive the AI takeover, subscribe now and hit the bell because the future waits for no one.